Hello everyone, my name is Harshvardhan Yadav and today's date is 3 December 2021. Today's topic is what is methods in Java. In general, a method is a way performs some task similarly to method in Java is a collection of instructions that perform a specific task. It provides a reusability of code. We can also easily modify code using methods. In this section, we will learn what is methods in Java, types of methods declaration, how to call method in Java. What is method in Java? A method is a block of code, a collection statement or set of code grouped together to perform certain task or operation. It is used to achieve a reusability of code. We write a method once, we use it many times. We do not require write a code again and again. It also provides easy modification and reliability of code. In just adding or removing chunk of code, this method executed only when call or revoke it. The most important method in Java, main method. If you want to read more about main method, the method declaration provides information about method attributes such as visibility, return type, name, arguments. It is 6 components that are known on method header. As we know, following figure. Method signature. Every method have method signature. It is part of method declaration. It includes method name, parameter list. Access specifier. Access specifier or modifier is a type of method. It specifies visibility of method. The Java provides 4 types of access specifier. Public, private, protected, and default. In the public, the method is accessible by all classes when we public specifier or application. Private, when we use private access specifier, the method accessible only the classes which are defined. Protected, when we use protected specifier, the method is accessible within same package or subclasses in different package. Default, when do not use any access specifier method declaration, Java uses default access specifier by default. Return type, return type in a data type that the method returns. It may have primitive data type, object, collection, etc. Its method does not return anything. We need we use void keyword. Method name, it is unique name. It is used to define name and method. It is must corresponding to functionality of the method. Suppose if we creating method of subtraction of two numbers, the method name must be subtraction. The method invoked by its name. Parameter list, in each list parameter separated by comma enclosed in the pair of parentheses. It contains data type and variable name. Its method has no parameter left in parameter blank. Method body, it is part of method declaration. It contains all actions to be performed. It includes within pair of curly braces. Naming a method, while defining a method, remember that the method must be verb start with lowercase letter. If a name has more than 2 words, its name must be verb followed by objective noun. The multi-word method, first letter of word is uppercase except the first word. For the example, types of method: predefined method, user defined method. In predefined method, in Java, preferred methods as method that already defined in Java libraries is known as predefined method. It also known as standard library method, built-in method. We can directly use of method just by calling program at any point. Some prepared methods are length equals compare sqrt etc. When we call any predefined methods in our program, in a series code related to corresponding methods run in background that is already stored in library. Thank you.